fire. Motherfucker, I should have been did all of this. Nah, girl, get your ass out. Don't come in here. Don't come in here. Nah, don't come in here. You didn't want to come in here. Get on. She trying to come in here now. Don't come in here. Don't come in here now. Yo, yo, yo. All right, we good. I just want to show y'all something. I'm telling y'all, bro. Woo! So boom, even a player mess up. So really, we went 1-3, but crazy thing is we almost went break even. That's why I said have a high R to R. Have a high R to R, because we still did 1-1s with the tree, we would have passed, but we'd have been out of luck. We'd have been way out of luck. I ain't gonna lie, when stuff like this happen, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna hold you. For all my years, they be like, don't buy high. This is the 1 minute. When that shit skyrockets up, that shit is still going to skyrocket up. Or you can still take advantage. I was not gonna be like, I'm not gonna buy. I'm going to buy. So this is what happened today. I missed 2 fucking setups. I missed 2. Okay. Hold on, let's zoom in right here. I really want to zoom in right here. So boom, it hits our the EI is formed. So boom, an EI is formed. Y'all know what the EI is. Where 1, 2, 3, you enter, but you only enter off. Like, all right, let's come back. I like how it goes. Like, all right, boom. This is it. Where you enter at, I'm about to show y'all. Because it's like, I don't think I've never really, y'all should know what the EI is, but look. So it goes up. It doesn't, you want to enter where it doesn't break at. So this is where you enter at right here. Boom. You enter right here. Wake up, boom. You pass. Simple. Or you could have entered right here. This one was a tree. I kind of thought this one is a tree, so I would have went to the nice one of 7.5, or you could have went with the 1.366. Either or works. I went with the 1.756. Crazy thing is, I exit, but because I'm like, man, I just don't want to lose all that profit. But I swear it did not hit stop loss for some odd reason. But I think where I entered that. Boom. I swear, you see this? Cause look, I 1-1. It doesn't even hit like right. Where did I win at? Well, I thought it almost hit stop loss. So I entered right here, 50. I was in this for like 2 hours, bro. I never thought I'd be in a 1 minute trade for 2 hours, bro. It's crazy. I was in a 1 minute trade for 2 hours. So since 11 to like 1:30. I was like, damn, for 2 hours, damn. But I kind of knew this was gonna win, because if it wanted to drop, it was going to drop. Like it would have been dropped. Like once I was here, it was like 12. Like once it came to like 12, like 12. I kind of knew I was gonna win, because the market would have just dropped, bro. It doesn't want to drop. Like you see, this is a weak EI. Like I wouldn't do this EI like wick. That is an EI though, because look. EI would have worked. Came up. It probably did it come to it? Probably still didn't. Oh yes, it did. This was my first. Whoa. No. I entered here first. That's why. So the EI was here. It would have worked if no, that was the this one an EI. This was a tree. But wick. So 1, 2. Damn, we gotta switch this to an EI. Low key. Cause look, this is a tree, but one this is an EI. Damn. Cause look, it ain't the best EI, but it is an EI. Boom, 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 boom. It does hit this, but it would. So I'm in this for 2 hours, but if I waited another hour, which is not even an hour, damn, another for about 4 hours. This shit, god damn, that's tough. So boom, I lose one, I re-enter back. I hit the 2 to 1. I'm not this what kind of got me break even for the day, just this, and not lose getting out early on this. And limiting this. Like look at our sets we catching. So 3.6 it hit. This one lose like say 3.6. All right, we catch a 3.6. We lose a 1-1 and then we win a 2.1. Like come on, these is good setups, man. Good setup. So that's what we got for gold. Now 30. You know how 30 I said 30 was 30 beautiful? You know what's crazy? Gold I said was nasty as hell yesterday, but 30 was good as fuck. It was the opposite today. US 30 was it looked oh my gosh. I seen so much losses. I did not like it. So once it broke down, I'm mad because look. So boom. So you don't want price to break here. But I didn't enter this because I'm like, all right, it wicks, it comes down. I wanted to see 2 blue ones and then enter, but as you can see, I try to enter here. So wick with the EI was informed. I seen 3 red ones. I'm thinking it's at least gonna go to here. It fails. I'm not mad at this trade. This trade, not mad whatsoever. But how much times this lost? I'm scared. Like, bro, I never see. Bro, look how much times this shit lost. So 1. So we don't enter this one because it's not enough. We enter. All right, say we enter this one. Well, we might have won this one. Let me see. Might. No, we don't do 1-on-1s no more. So, boom, we lose this one. They don't even hit the 1 point. So, boom, we lose that one. We lose this one. We win this one, but this is an EI. I was really just gonna enter a tree here, but I'm like, bro, this is an EI, so I'm gonna wait. I pulled out the fib. I'm thinking, all right, but it doesn't go down. So boom, and then it just sank. So boom, another tree is formed. Can't enter the tree. Another tree is formed. You might have entered this tree, knowing at the time and place. This, you see this, boom, 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 boom. You could have entered. Would have won this tree. So boom, you'd have won this one. Depends on if you really want to enter. You could do this because it's not really. Because sometimes I do enter off this. Like if it's not really breaking up, like it look like it doesn't want to go down. So I'd be more safe to enter this 50. Just make the stop loss at a new one. It is like I said, it's a risk you're taking. 50. You enter here, boom, boom. It hit that 1.4, so you would have won. Another one. This is another one. You'd have entered this one. This one lost. It hits that 1-on-1, but lost. Enter. That's 2 1-on-1s we lost. If we just had 1-on-1s, but you don't want 1-on-1s. I'm telling you. Enter this one. It wins. This is when it start losing. When I seen this, oh my god! Like look, even 1-on-1s probably couldn't save this. Look, delete. We just gonna delete as we go. Delete. Lose. Then 1-on-1s start to hit. This is when the 1-on-1s would have took over. Delete. Come here. Hits here. Delete. Lose. Come here. Doesn't win. Come here. Come here. Hit here. Delete. Lose. That's like 3 L's. Like 3 L's, bro. Come here. Delete. Come here. enter, boom, 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 hits the 1-1, delete. So the 1-1s would have been crazy today because we would have won 3 1-1s and lost 1.7. So three. So we lost 3 because we just not doing 1-1s, but it really does make up. So boom, boom, we lose this one. We enter this, we win this. We finally win one. Come here. Like I said, that's why I said this is kind of dangerous because look, we might have entered this. Look. Oh no, we didn't. It didn't hit. Didn't hit. So boom, we enter this. It hits. Boom, it starts to win. Enter this. Boom, boom. This one hits. All right, it's starting to win now. Cause I seen that when I seen this, it was losing. So boom, it start to hit. All right, buys. Come here. Look, this look like it hits. Yep, it does hit. Come here. Oh shit, it might have. Let's see. Let's see. It hits. It hits, but I don't know. I don't know because sometimes they don't take me out the stop loss when they do shit like this. But this looked like a hit. So boom, this one hits, and then we probably would have been done trading this, and then boom, boom, boom. No, it's time to calculate. Sorry, I got a video to edit after this. Damn, this was yesterday? Oh, it was yesterday. Oh, can I see yesterday's stats? 517. Bro, where is it? 517. Where's 518? No, who was yesterday? 19. Bro, where's 19? The fuck? It's somewhere here. It gotta be. Yo, where, bro? Come on. Don't tell me. I must have deleted it. Oh my gosh. I think 19 was nasty too. Bro, I did not. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Let's redo it. It can't be so far off. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna do it. I'll probably do it tomorrow, bro. Off camera. All right, let me see. 14, 15, 16, 17. The fuck? I remember doing it. Oh, I could just look at my live. I said I would do it. I could just look at the live. Okay. I could just watch the live from yesterday and figure out what it was. I probably deleted it. Or let's see. Let's see. Go. I was talking a lot. All right, look, this is 19. Damn, gold was bad. I don't think 30 was good as hell. I think might have been 30 low key. I think this might be 30. Low key, this might be it. 17. Is it? No, because where's another? Unless we got to see the same date somewhere. So 14, 15, 16, 17. There is no 18 because it's a Sunday. 8, 6, 6, 5, 5. Let's zoom out. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. I don't see 19. I don't see 19. So boom. I probably deleted it, but I could get it. I know I did it because I do it every fucking day. Damn, I don't even want to start. I'm gonna start 30 first. I'm gonna go off camera after this live and just fix it. So I'm upset. Let's change the date off of it. Let's just change the date off of it. Let's just change the date off of it, bro. I gotta go. It's just 5:30. I ain't gonna lie, we probably done with the 101s though. We is probably done with the 101s. I ain't even gonna hold you. We're probably done with 101s. I'm upset though. I am upset because it's like I gotta do this shit again. Not really, but I'm just mad it ain't here. And I ain't been waking. I've been waking up late, low key. I've been waking up at like 7, 8. I don't be waking up at no 5. It's like 5 don't make sense to me because it's a 101. I don't really. It doesn't make sense. But if I could catch 1 to 7, it's easier. I'll probably wake up. I don't see no point of waking up sometimes. One day I just want to take every setup I see, but I want to take it like I hope it just hit. I just be winning like 2 and 2, and I just be like, all right, fuck it. All right, let's go. So zoom in, 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 zoom in. All right, boom. All right. Oh man, I wish I ain't zoom in on that. Cause look, it's all right. It's buy, but US 30. You can really buy. So boom, smack. You probably won't enter that too fast. I don't know. Let's just wait. I don't see no good ones yet. All right, maybe. All right, yeah, I like this. I like that one. I don't like none of this shit. Follow the board. So boom, boom. It hits the 101. It hits boom. All right, it hits both. Damn, I'm upset. So boom, it hits that 101. We don't know what it does after that. Oh, that's a skyrocket today too. So boom. Yeah, it was in a ranging. Oh yeah, I knew this was a fucking buy. It was ranging. Look at it. Look how the market looks. So I would have did. I would have just did sell, but even if you sold there, it was no sell. It was. You could have sold here. You would have won one. Boom, boom. You would have probably won this one. Maybe I don't know, but you probably still doing 101. So doesn't depend. It's a sell. Like you want to sell, you can sell. Probably done after this though. I ain't gonna lie. You see this wick up. Unless you want to continue off the buy rate. So boom. Doesn't. You don't like that setup. Fine. Boom, boom. Right, probably wins. So say you don't. I don't know. Maybe wins, maybe not. So boom. Nah, it's just look nasty. So boom. It's not enough candles. It just don't look good. All right, like shit don't look good. I don't know. None of this look good to me no more. Like, would I just really enter off 2 candles and end that? I need some. That's why tree got structure. This shit don't got structure low key. I don't really see no structure, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't see nothing. Like, even if you do enter, it's too small. Cause I'm starting to do higher percentages and look at this. All right. Fucking they not gonna let you enter off this. This shit is too small. Maybe the 0.25, sure. What a warm up with 0.25s here. Oh yeah, every trade. Like, look, sure. Look, it hits. So it wicks here, boom. We don't know. It hits, but I don't, man. This shit just don't look like here it hits, boom, boom, it hits. Wait, I don't, I, bro. I don't see no. Okay, this look. This is clean. This is clean. I'll enter this one. If it hits 50, I'll enter. All right, I'm entering. Boom, it hits. Look now, you see. It's like all of them was nasty work, bro. Maybe I'm starting to see like where and where not to. Like I've been doing this for a minute. Some of this shit just don't make sense. I'm telling you. Like you're not really entering off this. It's like you do all right, lose. All right, you lose. You enter off this, you win. Probably still can't catch this. I think you enter off this one, you won. This one, you let's say you enter, we don't know. Maybe you win, maybe you lose. You gotta know in real time. Certain shit you just don't know. That's why I don't like. Sometimes that's why sometimes I don't like replay. Maybe I need a replay even on the 30-second, like 20-second. Because well, if you did enter this, it could have went like this first. Because this is where this is where the candle opens. This is where it closes. But we don't know where it comes here or here. We don't know if it went here first and then went down. That's what I mean. That's why I need like a 30-second. You just know where, like this is where it opened and closed right here. It opened and closed right here. It opened here, it closed here. Open here, closed here. Open here, closed here. Open here. Like look, open here, closed here. Open here, closed here. That's why it's blue. Open here, closed here. Y'all gotta know that. So boom. I don't even know which one I did. All right, this one. Boom, boom. The fuck, boom. Maybe you answer that one. Low key, yeah, we can say we answered that one. Fuck it. You probably could have entered that one. It looked clean. Oh my god. So I so 1.7. You still up 1.7. Like do you really enter this shit? It's too small. Like I don't know, bro. Maybe I'm done. That's a and all right. Oh, this is 7:30. Well, we taking that one out then. It's past 7:30. It's past 7:30. We could take it out. We could do that. Because it won't 7:30. I'm thinking it's 7:30. I'm like, all right, we got an L, so we 2-2. 2-2. All right, now it's time for 7:30. Let's change this. So 1.7, 1.7, 3.4. 3.4% to 2. All right, now we kept the 2. All right, now what are we doing? Now we looking for trees. And so tree, I don't even know what 30 was today. So boom, buy. Let's see, 5 minute. Come on, 5. We don't really look at 5 like that. I ain't gonna lie. So boom, 5. This is, remember what area it broke out at. Always come back to area it breaks out at. Boom, boom, break. So boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. All right, boom. We got a tree formation. Tree formation. Maybe it wants to come back. Okay, I won't even take this tree because it's just a range and market. But sometimes you can take it in the range and it breaks out. Boom. Breaks out. No, it's just, let's keep this here. Let's just make another line. Boom, breaks out here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Comes back up. Nowhere really to enter. You wouldn't buy low key. You can buy off this. Boom, boom. It does work. Like if you want to play superhero, like I wouldn't be mad if you bought off this. You probably have to enter right away, so it wigged up. So it opened here, maybe closed here. Boom, 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 boom. It still hit that 1 point. That's a nice little jump. I'm not gonna count that as tree. Damn, did we enter one tree? All right, we still didn't enter no trees. So boom. This is a good little tree setup. You got that 1 to 7. Let's see what this is. This probably is 1 to 7. 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Let's see. So boom. Down. It comes up. Yeah, 1.75. That's nice. But if you don't get this one, you probably damn sure ain't getting that one. But I probably would have caught the second one. Let's see. Does it work? I ain't gonna lie, I probably entered the second one. Logan, knowing me, it's like I really would have entered this shit. I wouldn't enter for no sale because it ain't no sale, but to buy, cause I'm like, man, it maybe don't want to break back up. So, fuck, we're just not gonna count it. We're not gonna count it. Maybe if I did it on my own time, we're gonna follow the strategy. Now it's above, but these two. Yeah, if you ain't catch this one, damn sure you caught this one. But we gonna say we ain't catch it. Boom. No trees. EI is kind of getting formed. No, not really, because it's still a buy EI. So boom, boom. It's like oh my god. So boom, boom, boom. Oh shit. I don't know, bro. We can delete this. I know it sells. Now you could predicate sell. So boom, nice little sell right here. I think I missed this one today. Yeah, I missed this. I missed it. I missed it bad. Good time was 9:55. Yeah, I was leaving the house. Boom. Oh shit. So that's an L. Damn. I swear. Yeah, I don't know. I thought it was a W. I swear I remember almost taking that shit. So boom. So boom. Oh, other shit was kind of formed. All right, boom, boom. Yeah, it is a wake up. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you take this. I don't know. Maybe you do. Maybe you don't. Well, it probably would have been an L. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. I keep saying baby it would have been an L. Look, so you took this one. It's nasty. Don't give me. Wait, hold up. No. All right, that's way. All right, hell no, you don't take this. Now, look. You don't take this one because you can't take this one. But damn sure you can take this one right here. Oh yeah, so this one works. So another tree. Tree is formed. That first one, I'm like, damn. But I'm like, all right, I see a red candle. I'm telling you this, you got to be strict. Just follow the simple rule. Just be strict with it. So boom. See a red. You could another one going on right here. Boom. You enter. Because I don't see no 3. So that's 3. Boom, 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 boom. You lose. So you can say L. I think 30 was just 30 had hella tree opportunities today too. So boom, boom, boom. Hold up. I think EI was formed after this. EI was formed. Low key, I probably would have entered that EI low key. Let me see. Yup, EI was formed. EI was formed against us. Oh yeah, I did. Whoa. Yeah, I hate that shit. I hate this with a passion because I didn't enter this one. I didn't enter this one. I entered this one. Like, look at how 30 got 2 blue candles right here. Let's see. Do we got another one? Look, this is red. You see? I be hating that shit sometimes. You see how this one is red and this one is blue? Like, come on, bro. Okay, we just going. We don't deal with the punches. We could have low key entered this tree right here. Right here. Boom. No, that's not a tree. Boom. This is a tree. Low key, this is a tree. And an EI. I don't know. Like, where do you respect it? Oh my gosh, look. So it does win tree and it does win EI. Where is your EI? You can say boom, 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 wakes up and it comes back down here. Shit. We gonna count this as a tree. Because it really doesn't respect our EI strategy. We wanted to come down with back 2 candles up, don't pass here, and come back to the 50 area. But it kind of did that. Like if you entered off this, I'm not mad, but I want to see some more resilience for this, bro. I just do. I don't really like it. So we're gonna count this as tree, not EI. But boom. I think this is where it's fucking we should start losing. It comes up. Like I said, this may be something you want to enter. Maybe. I don't know. Probably not. We just not gonna enter. So boom. Got our tree. Doesn't work. Boom, 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 boom. No tree is formed against us. Low key, EI look like it's getting formed. So wake out comes up here, wakes out. If it comes, let me see. I think EI might be formed. So wake comes up with, let's see. Can you see? Oh shit, EI. So this is boom, 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 boom. We lose, but we'd have won if it was still 1-1. So it would have been 3-1. 3-2, but overall 3-2 is 1%. We'd have been 1% to 2.4, 1.7, 1.7, 3.4. We still would have been fucking a little bit. We'd have been still break even. No, not break even, just a little bit above. So boom, EI can be formed. Don't see nothing. Doesn't come back here. Maybe we will never know. So boom. This might be an L because I think this is when they go L crazy. Yeah, this long way you can enter off that. Yeah, loss right there. So got me cold dreaming. What I'm gonna study is where does it lose a lot. That's what I'm gonna have to study next week. So next week I'm gonna study where I'm taking all the statistics are randomized, but now I'm taking trees to another level. I can't take EI to another level. EI is what it is, what it is. It's already a systematic thing. Tree is not really systematic. I'm just entering off 3 candles in the trend direction. Maybe I don't know. Maybe is it a better way to enter tree? That's what I'm looking for. And is it a better way to enter 530? But EI, I can't really. You can engage on it, but this is really a real live legit strategy. So you wait once smack, follow the trend direction. Wait if it don't break the second break of the second touch, you enter. That's really direct. Like tree is not really direct. It's 3 candles. Just follow the fucking direction. So boom. Probably lose. So that's another that's another L. So boom, another L. EI is formed against us. So boom. So boom. See, no EI is formed against us. I'll still be in sell bias. So boom. Yeah, I'll still be sell bias, low key. Low key, I'll still be sell. I really probably won't buy it. Yeah, I would, like I said, I wouldn't be buying. I wouldn't. I'll still be in sell propositions. I don't know. This is not no clean EI, so boom. Maybe this hits, maybe it doesn't. All right, that's all. So we three. Now we 3 and fucking 5. 3 and 5. You see now it's going back down. Got a blue one again. What the hell I just delete? Oh shit. 3 and 5, yeah. I mean, I can't believe I deleted that. So boom, boom, boom. All right, that's an enter. Boom, boom, boom. Still, yeah. This is not. This is bad. So boom, boom. Because this is not. Okay. One of one's been hitting me. It's crazy. Once I take away one of the ones, it's gonna be a hand. So boom, 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 boom. That's not an L either. It's not. It's not. Look, it's not an L. The broker I got. They not giving you no L, bro. It gotta like click a little bit above. I'm counting this as a W. That's not an L. I even looked at this today, like before, like I even like I be looking at it so much. I was like, man, that's not an L. This is a W because look, put the stop loss right. I be putting the stop loss right here. Doesn't hit. Boom, 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 boom. I thought it was an L once it got to here. No, it's not. So 4 and 5. Like I said, we go break even for the day, that's an entry. That's 5 and 5. That's 5 and 5. We still good, low key. Still good. 5 and 5. Uh, it doesn't enter. You can enter this one. It's 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Oh my god, stop. Maybe I gotta. Yeah, let me draw this one out. Maybe it's. Oh my gosh, god damn. I keep saying, let me draw this one out. Let me see. Is it 6 and 5? It looked like it's 6. It gotta be 6 and 5. It gotta be a 1.4. It, oh shit, it's not. Let's see what it hits. So it does hit. There's another one you can enter. 6, 7, 6, 7. So we keep that one and draw a 7. Oh my god, why is this keep? So 7. So 7. You see how? Oh my gosh. I was looking at this part where I kept catching hella L's. And I was like, oh my god, today the back testing is gonna be crazy. But I still gotta figure out when to enter tree. Like if I can get tree at a 60 to 70% win rate with a 1.7 RR, that's like all right, you get it at a 70% win rate with a 1.7 RR, that's like a profit factor of 2 point something. I don't know. I'm just doing the math in my head. So boom, boom. All right. EI can be formed against us. Is this EI 50? I gotta give it grace because sometimes. So boom, we can say loss. I was gonna say no loss. Nigga like me was gonna say no loss. So boom, that shit loses. That shit loses. This one might win. Say lose again. Boom, 7 and 7. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, hold up. We might have answered this one. I said it was a lot of trees, so yeah, we might have answered this. Oh shit. 7 and 8. Ah, damn. Still positive, but it's like, damn, we caught back up. Can't get too happy. So boom. Well, key, you can start to. What time is it? 4. All right, we're kind of done. No EOS was formed. So boom. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 out of 8. He's probably still positive because it's 1.7. So let's see. Count. Let's get the count. Maybe like 3. Let me see. 1.7 times 7. Take away 8. 3. Still 3.9%. Still 3.9. Like I said, look, we lost more. We're still 3.9%. So boom, 3.9%, 2%, 3%, and have a 0% thing. So boom, we see no EIs was formed against us. What's the EI? I'm trying to see. Okay. This might be, no, it's too deep. A buy EI, man. No, no, kind of. Boom, boom. It's here. Wakes up. Wakes up. Comes here. Enter here. Lose. Okay. So boom. So would have gained 5.9%, or you could have no. You'd have gained. You'd have gained 7%. Taking all the trades. Pretty okay. But it's like I wish I had an automated system to just do this for me. Like, just take every trade, man. Don't even care, and then this will be your percentage. So yeah, I probably pressed delete it. I think I did press delete on this. I must have pressed delete. So boom, the fuck, boom. That's a YouTuber. What's my NIJ? Oh, I don't got US 30. Oh, I deleted that. Yeah, I stopped doing that shit. Cool. I want to see how profitable fucking gold was. Probably crazy. Like how I said, gold was trash. You look how trash gold was yesterday. But look at the bro. The EI was probably crazy, bro. The EI, it's already 2 EIs. I know we won. So 7, 7%. That's already a 7. So boom. That's why I said EI, bro. EI is so like if anything, you don't have to take tree from me. You don't have to take the 530 because I don't think it's to perfection yet. Yet. But please take EI. EI, I worked on it first. I'm like, okay. I just did EI because I'm like, bro, I'm kind of impatient. What if I want to just keep entering? That's when the tree first it won with tree. It was called nearby. Nearby was winning. It was a 1-on-1 winning at like a 50-60%. I didn't like it. So I was like, bro, let's get up out of here. Let me see. I heard like this NBA score. I will be watching the game, but this is more important with no view. All right, so boom. All right, let's. I know, bro. What is this? I hope tomorrow goes good. Hope tomorrow goes real good. God, please let tomorrow go good. I was 1-3 today. I was still 1-3 today with a break even, and I entered off tree because I entered. I lost. I wouldn't have lost. I entered the EI, got out early because it almost hit stop loss. I was like, I don't want to lose all. What was it? 0.5% of my account, maybe like 0.6 because that's how sometimes when it stopped. And then I lost another tree, and then I entered the tree, but I entered a little early at a 2 instead of 1.7, 2.1, and that shit kind of got me over the hump. I don't know how though. It's like I'm a little bit in negative. It's probably point 12 in the negative. So point 12, you run at the break even. You feel me? Yeah, I might have to stop doing 530. I'm gonna switch everything though. Like EI will always be here. Tree, if it could be something better, or just want to enter tree. 530, I can see that being going next. Nearby was good. What was it? It was nearby. What else? Like, what was I had 4. It was a breakout. I ain't like the breakout. The breakout is still good because it's like it don't follow. Breakout is like you don't really get a breakout in the trend following direction. It just doesn't make sense. Like breakout, you wait till it come back up here. We don't never know when it's gonna come back. You feel me? Nearby. So nearby EI 530 true. Nearby EI. I took off nearby. Nearby is when it wick and comes up and wicks. That shit won't talk about nothing. That shit won't talk about nothing at all that I want to talk about at least. It's kind of hard. I'm out there. Let's turn this on. Damn, I was doing an E. What the hell was I doing? Maybe I switched. Like I could still do EIs in the evening. I'm gonna have to. Next week. I'm calculating when is the best time instead of just doing it random. We gonna turn on the candle. And we gonna get to work, big. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. It's to a point I could just scan through this and look at it. So boom. Drag this here, zoom, drag, zoom, zoom out. And go to reset price. All right, boom. That looks nice. Yeah, all right, this looks nice. So, what is it? Buys. It's fine. It ain't 530 yet. Boom. Let's be straight. Let's come on. Maybe I'll probably into that shit. Oh, no. Boom, 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 boom. We can say we lost. Yeah, we can say, oh, let's see. No loss yet. Boom, lose. So, boom. 21. Bro, how the hell? So, boom. Doesn't enter one. Maybe. Shit, we probably lose this one. For 2. L. That's another L. Damn, gold. I don't know. I just like gold for EIs. I'm not gonna be a no funny shit. Cause even if you enter a tree, I ain't gonna lie. It's like when you enter a tree of gold, most likely it could be an EI, not an EI setup, but an EI take profit, bro. Like real shit. But I really did enter This is another L. God, this is an L too. God damn. Was it 30? It was 30. Didn't I say 30 wasn't that? Like, let me see gold. No, it was gold. Damn. Okay. Let's zoom in. Damn, 3 and 3. God damn. Okay, let's see. Can we get a W? Damn. Okay, damn. Hell is that? I don't know. Maybe you can enter with this. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. It's too small. Yeah, this one too damn small. I'm not entering with that. So probably too. Yeah, way too small and too quick. Maybe lose this one. Let's just say you don't answer it, bro. Probably don't even answer. That's why I don't really like that two shit. That's why the five. That's why I don't trade 530. I don't really like that two shit. I take this one. If we lose, we count this as a loss though. I don't like that fucking two. It's like, but two doesn't. Let's see. Boom, boom. All right. We coming. We making a comeback. As long as we could go 3 and 3, like I said, we go 3 and 3 off the 1.7. I don't give a fuck. Still win. So boom. We can probably see if we do one more. All right, that's one more opportunity, maybe. We just got to delete. I probably deleted it. I feel like I deleted shit. I felt like I deleted it for some odd reason. But boom. We gonna say we 1-1, bro. So, so let's see. One, one. You see, look, it be the same. So you rather well just go for the 1.7. You really rather well just go for the 1.7. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so all right, delete. Watch this. That's -1, and watch how this one wins. Maybe. No, it wins. It does. Boom, boom, -1%. Or what is it? 3. What is it? 3 1.7, 1.7, 1.7. Let's see the count. 1.7 times 3. Take away 4. 1.1. But you still 1.1%. Still 1.1%. 1.1%. All right, let's get to it. Damn. So let's get to it. That's a 3. Uh, See how we can't enter. All right, now we can start entering. See how it's more boom, 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 boom. We probably say we answer this one. True. All right. I just gotta figure out when to answer true. So boom, boom. No red one was formed. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Let me see. Get started. Oh. You see, this one was a blue one. I'm hating that shit, man. We is trading on this type of time frame. So boom, 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 boom. Uh, no form against us. Boom, 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 boom. I think that's where our EI is formed. Yup, yup. EI is formed and the EI is formed beautifully. Very beautiful. One tree so far. One tree. One tree. One set up. So boom, boom, boom. We're not entering all this shit. So boom, a tree is so we enter the tree. So say you enter the tree and the EI. So I don't really count it as both. So we just do EI. So one. So boom, one EI, one tree. Boom, that's a tree because I entered this. One tree. Damn. Watch this. This was a yeah. You see? Oh my fucking god. This don't even. We just gonna go L because this really took. Boom, boom, boom. This might have been an EI still. Let me see. Boom. Oh, where we at? Where we at? Okay. Boom. Uh, another tree that has been lost. That's a nice tree right there. Really, an EI. Really, EI has been formed against us. Nice little EI. Up, up, roll. Don't know where the hell is it. I don't see it. So maybe here if it works. Oh, we lose it. But if I answer here, fuck. We can write L and we gonna write a L. So we gonna write this as tree. Fine. Fuck it. We gonna write this as tree. Yeah, because boom, boom, right there. Because we answered that as tree. this doesn't really add up to a tree. Oh my god. This price still kind of goes up. They win, so I ain't really worried about that shit no more. Hold up. That was zoom in, see how much. Let's see. Oh, this is a tree? God damn, I'm missing shit like this. So boom. We lose that one. Boom, boom, boom. This one. Okay, that's a tree. So I damn. Damn, okay. Boom. Dude, this a kind of these trees kind of nasty. Let's see. So four. We just gonna write 4 and 4. 4, 4. We just gonna count. Because we probably won't take this back to back, but shit. Maybe we would. I don't know. That's another tree. That might be an ER. That shit could be an ER. Hold on, this could be an ER. Nah, let's see. It probably never comes back down. This is an ER. This one wins again. Wins again. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's see. Probably wins. Yup. So another. Okay, bro. Talk that shit, bro. Another tree is formed against us. So 230. Boom, we lose. Fine. Yeah, we start losing. Start losing. Remember, this can be our ER right here. This could be a nice ER. 1, 2. If it comes back down. Probably will wait. I won't be enter no shit. Shit, I keep saying we can enter no shit. Yeah, we just gonna miss it. We just gonna say fuck it. We're not gonna take any of this. Boom. Now it breaks back up. Yeah, we probably just want to take any of this. We'll probably just wait. We had missed this. We'd have missed that. Yeah, because that W, two W's, one L. But we'd have just missed it. Boom. That's going up now. Boom. I probably won't take nothing after this. I'll probably be done. It's around 4. Yup. So boom. Look at the stats for this. We could say 2.5. 2.5% and the ER. So we just 2 yeah, that's not bad. You win a 3 point, like a 3.5, lose a 1. We could say 2.4. Let's say 2.4. Still good. Two trades. This is what eats today. Tree actually saved us tremendously. Let's see. So 1.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 1. 5. So 1.7 times 7. Take a look. 5. 6.9. 6.9%. And then that's we good for today. 8% gain. A little bit. 9% gain. Oh, if you even take this, we positive in everything. 3 wins on L. If you just took the 2 and 2, we just had 2 wins up here, 1 L. Probably would have been higher, but we probably won't take that nasty shit. And 2.4. So yeah, That's it for today. Yeah. Well, like, comment, subscribe, and that's our jump for today. Yeah.